Craving the ultimate comfort food in bite-sized form. These crispy, golden mac and cheese bites are the perfect snack or party appetizer. Cook for you. Spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents mac and cheese bites. In a hot boiling water, add 1 cup macaroni. Add salt to taste. Add some oil. Give it a good mix. Follow the package instructions. Check with knife whether it's done or not. Boil until 90% cook. Again, check with knife whether cooked or not. Strain it. Rinse with cold water and keep aside. In a wok, add 2 tablespoons butter, 1½ tablespoon plain flour, roast well. Sauté until light golden and it turns aromatic. Pour 1½ cup milk. Combine well. Add some salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. 1/4 teaspoon oregano. Stirring constantly. Cook until sauce thickens. Add 1 cup mozzarella cheese. Three slices of cheddar cheese. If you want stretchy cheese stuffing, add mature grated cheddar cheese instead of these slices. I want creamy and gooey center, so I use this. Keep stirring until cheese melts. Add boiled macaroni. Combine well. Keep mixing until cheese completely melts. Stirring constantly and scrape sides to avoid sticking. Our mac and cheese is ready. Consistency should be like this. Transfer the macaroni into lined parchment paper tray and lay it flat. Spread well with spatula. Keep in the freezer for 2 hours or until it holds the shape. After freezing, you get a brick of mac and cheese. Cut into desired pieces like triangles or squares. I'm gonna cut into squares. In a bowl, take some plain flour. In another bowl, take some breadcrumbs. Crack 2 eggs. Beat well. First coat the mac and cheese square with flour. Coat well. Dip in the beaten egg. Now coat with breadcrumbs. Coat well. Place on a plate. Coat with flour. Dip in the beaten egg. Coat with breadcrumbs. Coat well. Repeat the same procedure for all. Coat well. Can be stored in a freezer for up to 1 month. Heat up the oil. Drop mac and cheese bites in hot oil. Fry until golden brown. Listen to the sizzle, it's so satisfying. Flip the sides. Flip occasionally. Remove it. Remove on kitchen towel. Look how good they look. Time to plate. Hear the crunch. Sprinkle some coriander leaves, optional. Hear the crunchiness. Serve hot. Perfect for game day, a family gathering, or any time you want something cheesy and indulgent. Do try this super delicious and cheesy mac and cheese bites recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.